Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You already have what matters: a smartphone, camera access, and connection. Point your camera at the QR code, hold steady, then tap the pop-up link when it appears. Once done, the menu loads in your browser or app. Make sure to allow site permissions if prompted. You're starting the process now, not fiddling with settings. If the QR doesn't trigger, try a dedicated QR scanner app or tap any visible short URL printed near the code. You'll see categories and filters. Use them to narrow choices or type to search. Tap an item to open details, choose size, modifiers, and note allergies where available. Once you select quantity, add the item to your cart. Repeat for each dish. Make sure to use the special requests field for prep instructions because this appears directly to the kitchen. When your cart looks right, review prices, taxes, and any service fees before you move toward payment. You're at the finish line. Select payment, card entry, mobile wallet, or pay at table and tip if prompted. Enter table number or pickup option, then confirm the order. You should see an order number and ETA. Make sure to save or screenshot the confirmation. It's your receipt. If something goes wrong, refresh the page, clear cache, or switch browsers. And if the menu still won't load, show the staff a screenshot of the QR code so they can assist directly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.